Hello everyone, welcome to Produce Consulting Service Private Limited and thank you for joining us today. In this video, we are excited to introduce our vendor RMA management ERP for Odoo. The vendor RMA management ERP is a complete solution designed to help manufacturers, distributors, wholesalers, retailers, service providers, and warranty management organizations efficiently manage the entire supply return and warranty process from a single integrated Odoo platform. Many businesses use multiple disconnected systems to manage customer returns, supplier warranty claims, replacement products, warehouse operations, billing, and vendor credit notes. This often results in duplicate work, delay in processing, inventory inaccuracies, poor communication, and limited visibility throughout the return lifecycle. To solve these challenges, we developed the vendor RMA management ERP for Odoo. The system integrates customer return orders, vendor return authorizations, warehouse operations, billings, vendor credit notes, reporting, and dashboard analytics into one centralized ERP solution. Let's begin with the complete workflow. The process starts with the return orders. We have here return orders, which is also we can say RMA. When a product needs to be returned to the supplier, users simply click the create vendor RMA button available on the return order form. So here we have added RMA order lines, and here we can see create vendor RMA button from where we can create vendor RMA throughout this button. So here we can select the vendor, and when we select the button create vendor RMA, you can see here vendor RMA record is created. Also here we can see return order reference on the vendor RMA. Clicking this button opens the vendor RMA creation wizard. So here we can see wizard where we created vendor RMA. So also its reference link back to original return order, ensuring complete traceability between customer returns and supplier returns. So here we can see also vendor RMA reference on the return orders. Also we can see here vendor RMA. The previous one is already we created from previous. So now we can see here vendor RMA. So we have open already created where we have already added all the data with all the details. So the vendor RMA form provides everything needed to manage the supply return process. Here we can see send parts tab. The send parts tab displays the product that will be shipped back to the vendor. The receive parts tab tracks replacement product received from the supplier. The billing details tab manages customer invoices information generated from the vendor RMA. The vendor credit notes tab tracks supplier credit notes and refund documentation. The internal notes tab allows users to record comments, discussion, and important information related to the vendor RMA. So here we can see all the tabs and its details. When products are ready to return, users can generate outgoing delivery order directly from the vendor RMA. So when we click on send parts buttons, here we have already created. So here we can add another products like hydraulic control value. So when we click on send parts, here we can see delivery orders, outgoing delivery order generated with our added new products. Also in the receive parts, if we can add another product, and click on receive parts button. So the receipt is link with the receive parts section. Here we can create incoming shipment from click receive parts button. Also, the receipt is automatically linked to the receive parts tab. Here we can see the picking and move a link with the receive parts which we have created. Here we can see receipt. So, if the customer billing is required, user can create a customer invoices directly from the vendor RMA. So here also we have already created customer invoice. So also we need to add another products, another line. So when we click on create invoice button, here invoice is generated with our new products added. So when we confirm it, once the invoice is generated, the billing details tab is updated automatically with the related accounting information. Here we can see invoice and invoice lines is updated on the billing details. Same for vendor credit notes. Here we can add new products. So users can also generate a vendor credit note directly from the vendor RMA whenever the supplier issues a refund or financial adjustment. So here we have added another product, and when we click on create vendor credit note button, here we can see vendor refund is generated, and when we confirm it, also here we can see vendor RMA reference on the refunds. The created vendor credit note is automatically linked back to the vendor RMA for complete financial visibility. So here we can see credit note and its line is automatically linked to the vendor credit notes. So the vendor RMA also includes several smart buttons that provide quick access to all related documents. So here we can see all the smart buttons. Here we can see delivery orders. Also we can see here vendor RMA reference. Also we can open receipt. Also we can see here vendor RMA reference. Here we have created two invoices because first one is posted, so another line added which is generated another invoice. If invoice is in draft state, so that line will open in the same invoice. So here we can see invoice. Same for vendor credit notes. Here first one is posted, so after added new line, it will generate a new vendor credit notes with selected lines. The module also provides comprehensive reporting capabilities. So user can analyze send parts, receive parts, billing, and vendor credit notes through pivot, bar chart, line chart, and pie chart reports, helping businesses monitor return activities and supplier performance more effectively. So here we can see send parts. It's all the details with pivot and graph view. Also we can see receive parts, pivot view and graph view for reporting purposes. Also we can see billing details, it's pivot and graph view. Also same as for vendor credit notes with pivot and graph view. In addition, Vendor RMA records can be managed using Kanban, list, calendar, pivot, graph, and activity views, providing complete operational visibility and flexible data analysis. So here we can see vendor RMA, Kanban view, it's a list view, it's a calendar view, it's a pivot view, graph view, and activity view. In summary, the vendor RMA management ERP for Odoo provides a complete end-to-end solution for managing supplier returns, warranty claims, warehouse operations, billing, vendor credit notes, and business reporting within one integrated Odoo platform. By centralizing the entire vendor RMA process, organization can improve operational efficiency, reduce manual work, maintain complete product traceability, streamline supplier communication, and gain better control over warranty and return management. Thank you for watching this demonstration of the vendor RMA management ERP for Odoo. For more information, implementation services, customization requests, or product demonstrations, please contact Probus Consulting Service Private Limited. Thank you. Have a great day.